Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming the connection and power. Open Find My on your iPhone or Mac and look for your AirPods in the device list. If they appear, note the last seen location. Once done, make sure both AirPods and the case have some charge. Even a small amount lets them broadcast. If Bluetooth is on but the AirPods show offline, toggle Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on your device to force a refresh, because a fresh scan often reveals a recent location. Now you narrow the search with precision tools. If the AirPods are online, tap play sound and follow the noise. You may need to move around rooms slowly because sound reflects. If they are offline but have a last seen location, use directions or live view to walk to that spot. The map clue often puts you in the right building or floor. Also, check any other Apple ID devices you own, since AirPods sometimes register on a secondary device you used last. Finish by executing a physical search and final digital steps. Systematically check pockets, bags, couch seams, car seats, and typical hide spots. Retrace your route slowly and listen for any faint sounds. If not found, enable Lost Mode in Find My to display contact info and get notified if located. If the AirPods remain missing after 24-48 hours, prepare for replacement. Note serial numbers and consider ordering a single AirPod or case. If things go wrong, restart your devices and retry play sound. It resolves many glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.